Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 5.1 SAT Math Level 1 test preparation for the tune-up for this 5.1. Contact me for course materials at this email. So for today's lesson we got a 52-point skill sheet or tune-up sheet for today, and then you had 24 points of note-taking on your lecture version of 5.1. So page 1 on your worksheet, tune-up worksheet for 5.1, we have our first questions 1 and 2, multiple choice here. And then we got questions number 3 here, a multiple choice, page 2 on your worksheet, and then question number 4 here, multiple choice here. Page 3 on your worksheet, 5.1, tune-up, question 5 and question 6, multiple choice here, 4 points. And then page 4, 5.1 worksheet, 4 points here for 7 and 8. Page 5 on your worksheet, questions 9 and 10. Question 11 and 12. Page 6 on your worksheet. And then question 13 and 14, page 7 on your worksheet. And then questions 15 and 16, page 8 on your worksheet. Okay, we're into our grid in now on page 9 on your worksheet. Question number 1 about this situation up here. And then another grid in, page 10 on your worksheet, question number 2. Grid in here, question number 3, page 11 on your 5.1 tune-up exercise. Question number 4 of your grid ins here, page 12 on your 5.1. Question number 4, what is the value of R over S? And then question 5. Page 13 on your 5.1 tune-up exercise. Question number 6, page 14 on your 5.1 tune-up. Question number 7, what is the value of H? Page 15 on your worksheet, 5.1 tune-up. Question number 8, page 16 on your 5.1 tune-up exercise. Question number 9. Page 17 on your worksheet, 5.1. In the equation above, what is the value of x? And then question number 10, page 18 on your 5.1 tune-up for your grid in, a question about a passing storm. And that is your 5.1 tune-up for SAT Math Level 1 test preparation. Contact me for solution PowerPoints and note-taking guides, worksheets, and everything else. Thank you.